Buddy, do you eat meat?
I get up at 8 o'clock every morning.
Conversation.
I think we should get something to eat.
Are you hungry?
Hungry? I'm starving.
There is a Chinese restaurant near here.
That sounds delicious. How far away is it?
It's only 15 minutes from here.
Do we need reservations?
Oh, no. We can walk right in.
Let's go now.
Is this table okay?
No, it's too close to the kitchen door.
How about this table?
No, it's too close to the front door.
This looks like a nice table.
Yes, it's perfect. The dinner was delicious. The fried fish tasted so good.
Mixed noodle was good too.
Vocabulary.
Hungry. The children are always hungry when they get home from school. Starving. Isn't lunch ready yet? I'm starving. Eat. Buddy, do you eat meat? Delicious.
A delicious cake.
Noodle. The noodle is very famous in Asia. Taste. This cake tastes strange.
We use the present simple to say how often we do things. I get up at 8 o'clock every morning. How often do you go to the dentist? Julie doesn't drink tea very often. Peter usually goes away 2 or 3 times a year. We use some adverbs to describe how frequently we do an activity. These are called adverbs of frequency and include
I always wash my car by hand. I am always happy.